Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be painting these hellebores. I'm going to start by painting in these green petals. While the paint is still wet, I'm adding in this mauve color so that the green and mauve can blend together. The actual paint color is Winsor Newton Potter's Pink. I'll have all the colors and supplies that I'm using listed down in the description box below if you want to check it out. Next, I'm going to be adding in a few more flowers in this purple and mauve color. Each of these flowers has 5 petals, and I'm just angling the petals a little bit depending on how I want them to face. They all look like blobs of paint at the beginning, but they will start to take shape the more paint I add in later. While my flowers are drying, I'm going to add in some leaves. I'm being careful not to touch the areas of my flowers that are still wet. This little area felt a little bit empty to me, so I went back and added a couple of small flowers just to help fill in the space. Now I'm going back in and adding some more detail to my flowers. With this flower, I'm keeping the areas of the underside of the petals that would be showing light, so I'm not adding any paint to those areas. I'm going to do the same thing with these flowers down here and then just add paint where there would be shadows or where the petals would look darker. Next, I'm grabbing my gouache paint to add in some details to the centers of my flowers. Gouache paint acts just like watercolor, but it's opaque, so it's not see-through. If I used watercolor, the paint would be transparent and wouldn't show up as well. And there you have it! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you follow this tutorial and post a picture on Instagram, please tag me at Snowberry Design Co. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I also wanted to let you guys know about my online beginner watercolor floral course that will be released in April 2018. I have a waitlist for the course that you can join so that you won't miss anything. I'll leave a link down in the description box below if you're interested. Thanks again for watching. Bye!